Alright, so here we see that our computer has successfully booted Windows. Now that that's done, we're going to start tearing apart the computer, starting by shutting this off. Alright, we can do this off. So we're going to have to take off the case, so we got to take out these screws in the back here. Oops. Then we'll just slide it right off. Set that aside. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna have to take out the hard drive, which is over here. What one's this? This is the Sata cable, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
And the other one's connected to the power source.
Yeah. Okay, come on out. Come on, cables. And then you just pull the green tabs, and it slides right. Set that aside. Next will be our optical drive, which is the big thing here. This is what plays your DVDs, whatever. Oh man, there's some cables that got in there. Come on out. Oh boy. Alright. Got it. Another SATA and power cable. Then you're gonna slide that green thing all the way back, and then it just slides right out the front of your case. Might resist a little bit, that's okay. Next. Okay, so we're actually going to take off this front clip here, which is being a little irritating to get out. Set that off to the side, and then take our little screwdriver and start taking out screws. I doubt they want to watch. Now that we got those screws out, we're just gonna pull this thing right up and out. That'll give us some more access to our motherboard here. Next thing to do is remove some power cords. So this is our main power cable, and this one's a bit of a beast to get out, so we'll go unplug some other things first. Which ones are these? So over here there's a little secondary source of power to the motherboard. Just a littler version of the big one over there. Now this one might take a little time to get out, because you gotta really work on it. Alright, we could probably cut. So now that we got the big power cord out, we're gonna move on to these little secondary ones. These go to like USB drives and such. Remember, the black in front of the blue. And these are our SATA cables. We're gonna pop these out to get them out of the way. Or SATA or SATA, however you're gonna say it. Then there's one coming all the way back here. It's back in the corner. Oh boy. Good thing I got little hands. Then we got this little baby one. And these ones go to the front lights. Is that right? I think so. Alright. Then just push those off to the side a little bit. Next, we can pull out our RAM. You just pull those white things sideways. Make sure you don't touch this gold strip at the bottom here. Oop, popped a little bit. Alright, and that was the RAM. Next, we'll take off our CPU fan. Oh, come on. Get up out of there. Alright, so that was plugged in right next to our RAM there. So we got our CPU fan off. There's that thermal gel on there. It's just helping to distribute heat throughout the heatsink. Here we got our CPU. It's an LGA. I don't think we got the name of our CPU, but it has a ZIF socket, or yeah, I guess. And that just means zero insertion force. So you just set it in there, lay this down, and then you just kind of set it like you would a mousetrap. Next, we just start. No, we got to take out our power supply. So there's a little screw under here. Oh, can I get in that one? Oh yeah. So there's also going to be 2 screws on the back, but we'll cut that part out. So then, once you got your power supply unscrewed, you just slide it right out. Comes out pretty easy. Next, we're actually going to tear apart. We're gonna pick up this motherboard, and there's several screws throughout this thing. So now that we've got all the screws out, I'm gonna pick it up, slide this out of the holes, and there's a motherboard. Now you look in there, all that's in there is some wires and stuff. So additionally on here, you got your CMOS battery, and we got our, oh man, shoot, is this the PCI slots? This is the 4? Question mark. Anyways, those are PCI slots. They're for graphics cards and various other implements. And here are all of your connectors for input and output. And yeah, now all we gotta do is put this thing back together. Alright, so now that we got our motherboard and our power supply back in, we got the main power and some auxiliary power plugged in already. Then we'll just plug these back in to these black slots. Black ahead of blue. Do we even have to talk for this? We could just time lapse it. Okay.
Hey guys, how's the project going?
It's going good. Just plugging things in here.
I'm gonna take a peek at what you're doing in there. Is that alright?
Yeah.
No, go ahead and keep doing it.
Alright. Alright. got that plugged in.
Wow, you took like a lot of parts out.
Yep, we took everything out.
What do you think about it, Sam?
I think it's interesting.
Yeah, are you learning a lot of different things with it?
Alright, now we just gotta screw everything
Hi guys, how are you
in.
today? So you're just starting to take yours apart now? So you've already taken it apart, you've already put it back together, now you're gonna make it work?
We're just gonna video us doing that.
Oh, video and taking it apart? Okay, I'll go check out the other group and then I'll come back and watch it dig in. How are you guys today?
Hello.
Wow, there's like lots of parts in there. So what do you find most fascinating about taking this apart and putting it back together?
Where'd our other screw go?
Taking it apart, we did yesterday, and we videotaped it, so we're gonna redo it again today. After reassembled.
And when you get all done, it's supposed to look like
Alright.
a computer.
Yeah.
What do you find most fascinating? Hardware, computers? Is this something you guys do?
I'd like something. Yeah.
Keep your options open.
He's gonna do it for us.
There's the optical drive.
Yeah,
That is so
put
cool.
the hard drive back in.
You would think-
I say we just put some Jeopardy music over while we're putting it back together.
Yeah.
All right, let's dig in. I want to see this.
Cut the actual audio from this and then
Is to take off the back screws for the case.
oh,
Yeah. Okay, gotcha.
Once the screws are off, it should be able to pop up. So it's set over here. And the first thing we're gonna do is
come on.
take you.
I had you flipped around. Of course I did.
I'm putting you on the spot there because I can't remember either.
Computer profile.
No. All right, Miss Ed.
Central processing unit, Hunter.
Good job, it's that.
I put you on the spot, Hunter. That's my mistake because I couldn't remember myself. Good thing Mrs. Hadd was here to bail us out. I won't ask any more questions.
does do a lot of programming.
There you go.
Ram's in.
Reinvent your own.
RAM is now in.
Now the heatsink.
Okay, so you just did your video of the.
No, we're gonna do it.
And so they've already taken theirs
There we
apart,
go.
and now they're putting it all back together.
Right, well, they're just starting, they've been practicing, so what they're doing is boot, to show that it's a bootable computer and it's working, and they'll stop their video and then they'll sort of process it.
You know what? Being talented and gifted is a gift. Oh, I messed it up again. Okay, everyone is gifted. They just open the packages at different times. There you go. Yeah, welcome to my third. Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome to
No,
my
it's
third.
Friday, no school tomorrow.
Let me tell you, I've already been in the first grade maker space today. A couple art show workshops. I am a lost individual today. So you guys have a very good day.
Thank you.
And now I've been in the guts of, 1, 2, 3, 4 computers.
There you go.
So, yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, I am. See you
Okay,
guys.
so basically, here's the reason why I'm.
But we're definitely gonna have to cut the audio out.
Yeah. That's okay.
I didn't see her.
I just want you to sit
That
and
was our
punch
plan.
while she was trying to.
Oh, you want to tear it on? You want me?
I'm gonna have to, next time I'm really hungry, I'm gonna go to Tasco. Really bad stomach ache. Don't you have something to eat?
Well, you should have if I had something else, like, yeah, I'll just go to my market.
Oh, so that was yours.
Alright.
Case back on, the computer's back
You
together.
guys all gotta go on.
Now we have our finished computer.
Just stop doing it. Just stop.